As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
So I'm looking at these two Char-Broil grills, the Performance Series Convective 4-burner models, ASIN's B07JZ V24HV and B08T54HWPG. They look practically identical.
Yeah, I noticed that too. At first glance, they are almost the same grill. Both have that 4-burner setup with a side burner, stainless steel finish, and the same cooking area. 475 square inches.
Right, and both are putting out 36,000 BTUs on the main burners and 10,000 on the side. Dimensions are also the same, 25.8 DX 53.1 inches WX 45 inches H. So, what gives?
Well, let's dig a little deeper. Both have porcelain-coated cast iron grates, which is good for heat retention and easy cleaning. Electronic ignition, too, which is always a plus. And a temperature gauge on the lid.
Okay, so functionally, they seem identical. What about price? Are they at least different prices?
Nope. Both are listed at $369.99. Even the descriptions are the same. And both are sold by Amazon.
This is weird. Maybe the reviews are different?
Both have around 3815 ratings and around 4.5 stars. The customer comments are even similar, talking about good value for money and even heat, but some complaints about assembly.
So it seems they're both made in China, weigh 85 pounds, and are powered by propane. What about the best sellers rank?
Okay, here's a slight difference. B07JZV24HV is ranked number 26,062 in patio, lawn, and garden, while B08T54HWPG is a bit higher at number 23,307. Not a huge difference, but B08T54HWPG is doing slightly better.
Okay, so maybe B08T54HWPG is just a newer version with an asterisk slightly better ranking, but functionally, they're the same grill.
Exactly. And based on everything I see, I'd say you're right. It's probably just a slight refresh or a relisting of the same product. Honestly, you could probably pick either one and be happy. It's like they just have different ASINs for some internal reason.
Wow. Okay, well that simplifies things. Thanks for helping me sort that out. I guess I'll just pick whichever one is in stock and has faster shipping then. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.